Jinan, Watson CNC Machinery Co. Ltd. has built a strong reputation within the customer we serve. Since the establishment of company with human-computer interaction and ergonomics at research and development points, we continuously innovated and optimized machines. Our main machines include automatic tool changer CNC router machine, stone CNC router machine, laser cutting machine panel, furniture production line such as ATC nesting CNC machine, edge bending machine, precision sliding cable panel saw, etc. Jinan, Watson CNC Machinery Co. Ltd. have professional R&D department that can provide one-to-one service. Jinan, Watson CNC Machinery Co. Ltd. service is trustworthy and reliable. The professional after-sales service department can solve your problems in time. Jinan, Watson CNC Machinery Co. Limited insists on the attitude of customer first. In the coming days, Watson CNC will go hand in hand with you to create a better future.